To access product level information, please use the product search on top of your screen. You could type in any product code, product name, category, supplier, or agent, and the top SKUs will pop up on your screen. If you want to see how an agent is performing, simply click on the blue link Agent, how the supplier is performing on the Supplier blue link, how the category is performing on the category, and on the product code to have a 4-year view of the specific product. Now, if I click on the agent Velvet, I'll have access to all of their SKUs being sold from the biggest seller to the smallest seller. The same thing applies if I actually click on the supplier, the Green Organic Dutchman. I'll have access to the top SKUs from the biggest seller to the smallest seller. If I click on the category whole flower in this case, I'll have access again to the whole flower category. Please make sure to refresh this page and you'll have access to all of the SKUs being sold, again from the biggest seller to the smallest seller. Now, as per the summary by category report, in the columns you do have a lot of options that are available to you. Retail price, wholesale if it applies, THC and CBD levels. Keep in mind that we do scrape all of the governmental websites, so even though you're in a market where no data is available, you will have access to pricing, THC and CBD levels for the products that were available in the market, that are available in the market. You also have access to all of the different timeframes as well as channels that you can compare. And if you continue scrolling down, you do have the sales per month as well as the market share towards the bottom of the screen. So if you want to create a new report, you can simply click on the columns you want to see and refresh the data. And you will have a new report in a matter of seconds. The grouping always changes your rows and your subtotals. So if you want to see this report by supplier instead of no grouping, simply change the grouping and it will recalculate your subtotals. And here you can see a new report by supplier. If I go back to the product search here on top, and I want to see a 4-year view of the product in question, the Redis, for example, here from Redican, I click on the product code, and in the provinces where we do have data, you will have month-over-month performance since the launch of the product, as well as historical pricing. Keep in mind that historical pricing is available across the country.